started, brand new chassis.
We got a yellow, trouble. Oh, big upside down. Wow.
Yellow flag will come out on that one, but 9 to go.
The yellow wheel looks like Guerrero.
Let's hope he's okay. Safety trucks are rolling.
There's a lot of parts and pieces that aren't connected to each other.
Stewart goes by on the backstretch. Here comes the ambulance. Fortunately, no fire. Looks
There's
like
Guerrero crawling out from underneath it.
He's all right.
Wow.
A little shaken up. But Roberto Guerrero climbs out from under that battered and broken car.
A little shaken up would be an understatement right now.
He probably doesn't know where he is.